Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see an ISEO that I received from a locksmith. It was in a box of locks that he normally throws away. And before I show you the highlight on this lock, let me quickly pick it for you. It's a 5-pin lock and I don't have a key for it. I picked it a couple of times before, but there is not much difference to the first picking, what you will see now. So click from 5 and I basically go pin by pin, back to front, front to back, check for feedback, light tension, and I can really feel how the core turns bit by bit, and I'm getting closer to the opening. Hopefully. I think I'm almost there. And it's open. Applied a little bit too much tension, so wasn't too difficult. And the highlight on this lock is the other side, because it was drilled out. So I was really surprised to see such kind of easy lock being drilled to get it open. So maybe the locksmith had no tools with him, or he didn't want to pick it, or he wanted to sell the client a new lock. I don't know. So, well, really I don't understand why a locksmith would drill such kind of easy pickable ISEO lock. Well, as it is picked, we can gut it. I mean, we could have got it before, but I only got locks normally that I can pick, so yeah. Let's open it up. Clip is almost gone, almost off. So it's off. Your follower. Okay. Yeah, it's still picked. So the cam is off. Turn it like so. Yeah, that should work. Alright, here we are. And one time when I picked it, I got a spool. There was a spool involved in the picking process, and I had a nice counter rotation, but unfortunately only once. So I expect to see at least one spool. Tweezers, no tweezers. Oh, here we are. So all key pins are standard. Now let's check for the drivers. Oops. Number 1 is a spool. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3 is a standard. Spool in 4. So many spools. None of them came into play. And we have another spool. Quickly dump the springs out. Nice springs. Alright. So here we are. Got the pinning. All over spools except for stack number 3. Key pins are normal. So let me quickly reassemble the plug with the key pins and the drivers to see how much space they actually have to work. You can kind of see that number 1 is not really appropriate for the spool, and number 2 is. Number 3 is the standard. Would be just a lot of space for a driver to become effective. So here is what you see, what you get. Change the angle, adjust the lightning. So we can see, stack number 3 is actually has the smallest or the shortest key pin. Here it would be very nice to have a security pin, but it's not. Almost all other security pins or spools are not effective except of number 2, and probably that's the one and only spool that I felt once when I picked it. Alright, so that was a quick video about the ISEO that I got from the recycle bin of a local locksmith. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, here's the plug. I didn't show you that before. You can see the drilling mark. And actually the keyway is also kind of... need a new lamp, sorry. So when you look at the plug, you can see, of course, the drilling mark here, because it was locked in like that and drilled out the drivers. But I don't understand why there is so much destruction here in the keyway. So maybe it was kind of frozen. Something was wrong with the lock, and then they drilled out the pins and they had to apply a lot of force to get the core turned or get the core out. Maybe. So I don't know. Anyhow, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.